and welcome back to Healthy Living. Today I'll be briefing you about meal timing and its importance. In recent years, we have become more conscious of what to eat to increase our immunity. A balanced diet intake is something we are more focused on that includes the proper amount of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, minerals and vitamins. Counting calories before eating any type of food has become habitual. Each of us have different diet chart according to our bodily needs. However, there is one more thing that is more important, that is meal timing. Meal timing is much important as intake of calories, but we often forget considering the best timing to eat our breakfast, lunch, snacks or dinner. Now let's see what are the best timings to eat. As years passed by, many things has changed, including our meal habit and meal timing. Healthy adults eat snacks about 4 to 8 times in a day than proper 3-time meal in a day. Due to busy schedule, we may not be able to follow accurate timings. However, we can follow 3 meals and 2 snacks per day. Eating every 3 to 4 hours helps to maintain blood sugar level, improves metabolism and satisfies your hunger. First meal of the day is early morning meal, which is to be consumed between 6 am to 6:30 am. In the early morning meal, you can consume either a glass of milk, a cup of green tea, a glass of soaked fenugreek seed water, and even 4 to 5 soaked almonds. Breakfast. It is the most important meal of the day, so do not skip it. Eat your breakfast within 30 to 60 minutes after you wake up. You can eat your breakfast between 7 am to 10 am. Best time to eat your breakfast is 7:30 am. Our body needs energy after 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Take in high protein, whole grains, healthy fats, calories and low sugar food. Mid-morning snacks. After 1 to 2 hours of breakfast, that is between 10 am to 12 pm, you can take your mid-morning snacks. The best timing is 11 am. Take in low calories to balance out your blood sugar level. It is okay if you are not able to follow the snack timing. Make sure that you do not feel hungry and have acidity. Next meal is lunch. You can take your lunch after 1 to 2 hours of mid-morning snacks. You can take your lunch between 12 pm to 2 pm. The best timing is 12:30 pm or 1 pm. Do not delay your lunch timing to 4 pm. The lunch you are taking should be lighter than breakfast. You can include lean protein, carbs, fiber, good fats in your lunch. This meal sustains energy and keeps your body balanced. Next is evening snacks. Evening snacks can be consumed after 2 to 3 hours of lunch, that is between 4 pm to 6 pm. The best timing to eat your evening snacks is 4:30 pm. It helps in balancing your blood sugar level and also help to keep the body in equilibrium and boost your energy. It is good to have evening snacks and do not starve till dinner. You have to eat your evening snacks which is of low calories. Next meal of the day is dinner. Ideal time to eat dinner is between 6 pm to 8 pm. I know it is not possible for many of us to follow. Studies suggest that we should eat dinner before 3 hours of sleep time. So set your dinner timings accordingly. Make it the lightest meal of the day. That includes protein, low carbs, more fiber, less sugar and moderate fat to keep the metabolism high. Before bed snacks. The ideal time to consume before bed snacks is 9:30 pm. Consume this before 2 hours of sleep. Make sure that you eat lighter food in this meal. This will help you to maintain metabolism and reduce consumption of muscle glycogen and protein in the last stage of sleep. If you eat your dinner late, skip the snack time. Plan your last meal in such a way that it should not disturb your sleep and finish your meal before 2 to 3 hours of bedtime. You can take light snacks like popcorn and banana. Now let's see why should we eat at regular timings. To maintain energy levels. Our body needs energy and nutrients at different times to function optimally throughout the day. Energy consumed from regular meals and snacks we consume that includes proteins, carbs and fat. Meal timing allows opportunity to re-up energy and also minimizes the cravings for food. Improves digestion. Regular meal timings allow our digestive system to digest properly and absorb nutrients from the meal. When you skip or extend your meal, you might get acidity. Bloating occurs when you don't give enough time gap between each meal and eat continuously. Helps to boost your metabolism. Small and frequent meals increase metabolism rate than eating 2 to 3 large meals in a day. Metabolism helps to burn calories and reduce fat storage, eventually helps in weight loss. Maintains blood sugar levels. After 2 to 3 hours of a meal, glucose level falls, which leads to lack of energy, no matter how large a meal is. So, eating at regular timings help to maintain blood sugar levels in your body. Circadian rhythm, a 24-hour cycle that our body goes through affected by light and darkness, sometimes called the body's internal clock. It regulates the sleep-wake cycle, body temperature, hormones, metabolic process, energy, and other functions. Irregular meal timing disturbs the circadian rhythm that result in obesity, diabetes,